Hello garden friends, this is RB the Garden Nanny, and I am coming to you guys letting you know that I am enjoying this beautiful Saturday morning. I am sitting here with my liquid of choice. I don't drink coffee or tea, just water, but life is good. But anyway, I wanted to talk about something that's very exciting to me. This is August, like I said, August 22nd, and I received a letter in the mail stating that the citizens in the ward that I live in has nominated me for the Beautiful Home Award. Oh my gosh, talking about exciting. I think I've seen it before in people's yards, but I never really paid too much attention to it. Or, you know, you do what you do because you love doing what you do. You love the garden, you love taking care of your home, you love, because it's a reflection of who you are. And when you do that, it just makes you feel good. When you're around things that are neat and tidy and beautiful, it just makes you feel great. And especially at a time like this, where we're dealing with this COVID-19. I have so many neighbors that I'm so grateful for. They come by and they compliment my garden all the time. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to be able to have this love of taking care of your property and that others appreciate it. So I'm very humbled. I'm very thankful. I will be showing you a sign in the yard. I'm very excited, and it is August, like I say, and things are still lush, things are still in bloom, things are still beautiful. You know, you go to the garden centers and you start seeing mums and these fall plants, and that makes me sad because you just feel like you have to transition to that. You know, I don't want to transition yet. I want to stay with my super petunias, with my roses, with my black-eyed Susan. I want to stay in that groove right there. I don't want to go into the fall groove. It kind of makes me sad because I feel like I have to pull up to put others' fall stuff down. And a lot of times I try to have plants that look like fall, like marigolds and some things like the black-eyed Susan. They just have that, I guess I'm thinking yellow, oranges, greens, those type of things still look fall, even though they're summer flowers. A lot of times I try to incorporate that into my summer garden so that I don't have to just yank up everything and start putting down mums, which I'm not really a fan of mums. I never have been. I know they represent to a lot of people fall, and they're planted by the thousands everywhere. You know, you see them all over the place, in the malls, in a lot of corporations and stuff like that. And I myself, I plant a lot at my church. It just represents what you see in fall. But I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for that. I don't know. Are you all ready for that? I am ready for fall-like weather, but as far as the changing of the guard of the plants, I am not. But anyway, I guess I better get ready. But yeah, I just wanted to stop, have a cup of my water in my mug, and just tell you the good news that I received from my neighbors. And oh my gosh, so very thankful, blessed beyond measure, grateful to the Lord for giving me the ability to do what I do and to enjoy it and to share this blessing with others. That is what I wanted to share today, and thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and giving a thumbs up. I try to put videos out once a week. Primarily, I'm trying to do more videos of my clients' yards before and after, because I am a master gardener and I am a business owner. I own my own garden business and I help others with their garden, and thus the name RB the Garden Nanny. I help others in their garden. So that is something that I want to share on this YouTube channel, as well as my own garden and what's growing, and the garden hauls, and just all kinds of things pertaining to the garden. And sometimes I'll throw some other stuff in, like reviews. I like to go to the Dollar Tree and Big Lots and places like that, a garage sale, thrift store, and find things that I can share with you guys that's either garden related or maybe not. Just my lifestyle and what I do here on my channel. So subscribe. I am trying to get my subscription numbers up, and it takes people like you to do it. So all you have to do is click that like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment. I love to see that people have been here, that they've looked at a video, that they like it, and that encourages people to continue to do it. Because sometimes you feel like, is anybody watching? Is anybody out there? I know you are. Just let me know sometimes. That'd be great. I appreciate it. So thanks again for watching, and I hope and pray that you all have a great day.